Hey y'all, so it is September 25th and I just want to do a quick update because my skin is really broken out right now. This is what my skin is looking like. So I have some pimples coming in and I have a bunch of black marks. And then this side is really broken out. All of this is new. I wasn't breaking out up here. Now I have breakouts on my chin. So yeah, I'm feeling a little, it's so annoying, it's so discouraging, it's so frustrating, it's all of that. And the thing with acne is when you're stressed, it just causes more breakouts. So I'm just trying to listen to things that's positive and journal and reflect and all of that. Like journal and get myself in a better mood. But yeah, this is today's skin. My skin right now is doing something that I really like. Yeah, so two things I want to share with you all. Of course, I'm gonna show you all what my skin is looking like, but I also just want to let you all know that this last week, so today is October 6th, for a full week I've had a real solid skin regimen and I've changed some things and I've noticed a shift in my skin. In the next clip I will show y'all what my daytime skin regimen is looking like. We're still waiting on our Curology to come, so I'll talk more about that once I have it. But just know, Curology, they have something going for themselves. Like ordering a product, giving you a personal dermatologist. Like, we'll talk more about that once we get our product. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you all my skin and I'll be quiet because I talk entirely too much. Here's my skin as of October 6th, 2020. Okay, so yeah, it's still not clear, but I will say I am noticing a difference in like the hyperpigmentation in my skin, and that's because I've been using glycolic acid, as well as I didn't have as many breakouts this week as I have the weeks prior. So before I close this clip out, here are some before pictures so you all can see what my skin was looking like. If you have not watched episode 1, make sure you go do that. Why are you here? I mean, I want you to be here, but you should be watching episode 1 first so you can know what's going on. No, just stay here and then go watch episode 1. Playing, y'all. I'm just playing. So yeah, we're still working at it. I'll catch you on the next clip. Hi guys. So we got a little something in the mail. We got our Curology. And I'm so excited to use this product. So this is the initial box reveal with you all. So I just want to go ahead and open it with you. And then in the next clip, I know this clip was supposed to be me washing my face and showing you what my current regimen looks like. But I want to do that as well as my nighttime regimen, which is going to be using the Curology. So we'll do all of that in the next clip. Very much cute. Has a little pamphlet. Oh, that's so cute. It says love your skin every day. Honey, I wish. This is a cleanser and you get 1.4 ounces. And then this is the moisturizer and you get 0.8 ounces. And this right here is the magic formula that I'm so excited about. And it says on here, oh, okay. It has my name, my full name, And then it has the products that I'm using, and it says apply to face nightly. Two of the products that are in here I've used in the past. So I have clindamycin, tretinoin, and azelaic acid, and this is only the simple size, customly made for me. I hope that it gets my skin together. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all these really fast, and it's only like a day later since I last showed y'all my skin, so I'm not gonna show y'all my skin right now. But if you just want to see it, I'll show you real fast, real fast. Okay, that's all you get. All right, catch you on the next clip. Bye. Hey y'all, so I just real quick want to come on here and say what is going on in this footage. So I set out to show y'all my current skincare regimen, but then I'm like, it doesn't really matter because today, like present day, this isn't what I'm doing. And I didn't want to confuse you all. But this was going to be the footage of me showing y'all like my current skincare regimen to show you my new skincare regimen with the Curology. In this footage, I also did use the Curology for the first time, and it was like my natural first impression of the products. I will say that I absolutely love Curology the first time I used them. In the next clip, I will talk a bit more about what I liked most about the products, what I do like most about the products, and you will have to come back episode 3 to see if I'm still using these products or not and how my skin is doing. And if you haven't already, make sure you go watch episode 1. Episode 1, you can see how my skin was before I started to use Curology. I was spending so much money going to go get facials every week. Go check that out, you all, so you can really be updated with the skincare journey on the road to clear skin. Let's get back to it. Hi, y'all. So today is October 21st. I'm not sure how many days it is after the last clip that I showed you all, which was me washing my skin. Pause, okay? Everything that I did in that video, yeah. Yeah. Let me grab the products real fast. Okay, so I'm here, you all, to give you an update. Today is October 21st, and I have these products in my hand because the last clip I showed you all my current skincare routine, and after doing some research on Curology, some things have to change. So real quick, just to make this real fast, I can't use this because it contains salicylic acid in it, and while you are on Curology, they don't want you to use benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, any of those acids, nothing like that. So I can't use this. It's been officially 11 days since I started using Curology, and I am loving these products. This cleanser, it's like milk. It's so soft. A moisturizer, y'all. Yes, just yes, just yes. So what I really like about this moisturizer, I use a lot of moisturizers in my life because I've been struggling with acne pretty much my whole life. This kind of has like this matte feel, but not like a dry matte feel. So it's kind of like it goes on evenly, you feel it, but I'm not oily. Like it's perfect. Cleanser and a moisturizer. I'm really loving these for sure. All right. The last thing I'm using still is the Face Reality sunscreen, but I am in the process of looking for a different sunscreen because this one contains lotion. So this can have my skin a little bit oily because it has lotion in it. When mixing it with the moisturizer, they're kind of balancing out really well. Last but not least, Curology. It's been 11 days. I'm loving this product. I haven't witnessed any burning sensation, any peeling, any dryness. None of that. So I like the 3 ingredients that I am using. The clindamycin, the tretinoin, and the azelaic are working well for my skin. Picture that I'm currently showing you is the day before I started Curology. I've only been on it for about 11 days. It's the 21st, let's be sure. October 10th was my first day, and today is the 21st. So yeah, 11 days, and this is what my skin was looking like as of 2 days ago from the 21st. So what's that, like the 19th, 18th? this is horrible. I think the 19th, so as of the 19th, I believe that's 2 days ago from today, this is what my skin looked like. And then real fast, I'm gonna close this clip out by showing you all what my skin looks like now. So I am seeing some changes in my skin. I'm so excited because no, this has to get better. So thank you, Curology. I have faith in you. We're gonna get clear skin with these products, and I'm so excited.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Like a dream come true.
It's time for a skin update. No, y'all, for real. While I was doing my research before I started using Curology, I see a number of people saying that their skin went through a purge, and I think my skin is currently going through the purge, but I'm not getting upset. It's okay. Everything is going to come together. I had some breakouts going on all on this side of my face, as well as a few over here, and a couple by my mouth, which I think is like really weird to have bumps by my mouth. Like, that's a bum up, and I ain't been kissing no dirty boys, so I don't know what's going on with that. So yeah, my chin has still been clear. Remember in episode 1, that was the problem. I have not gotten any pimples in my chin, you all, since I've been using Curology, so that's a good sign. But I am dealing with like some breakouts in this area as well too. So let's go ahead and show you all what exactly I'm talking about, because that's really what you want to see.
Let me see me for once. Let me see me for once. You don't ever count on me. You don't ever count on me. How do I say goodbye to us?
So yeah, almost 20 days. I'm going to keep using Curology. I'm still keeping a positive attitude. I'm confident that these products are going to work for my skin. So I'm keeping a positive attitude. I'm not going to get discouraged. It's all about positive vibes. So thank you all for tuning in to episode 2 of my journey to clear skin. I'm going to catch you all in episode 3. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you check out episode 1. And if you want to know more about my skincare journey and how it's just been around forever, I'll go ahead and I will link a playlist down in the comments as well as above, so please be sure to check those out. Others is what's within, not your skin. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Thanks for the continued support, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.